here already. Day 3 recap. And reminder for me, just as much for you, the principles I'm following: intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise. So on day 3, and I somehow managed to have an 18-hour fast in the last 24 hours, which is amazing. Just was so busy with work, and not already I can feel the benefit that I'm just not feeling as hungry as early on. So yeah, had a fast from last day at 6:30 p.m. and didn't open the window again until 1:30 p.m. the next day. Fantastic. Exercise then on day 3 consisted of 7,000 steps, 1 hour of gardening, and I did not stop in that hour, so that has definitely been included. And again, our 5 minutes of rebounding. Diet wise, I opened the fridge, opened my AI app, looked in the fridge, noted down into the AI app, as you can see on the screen, what I had in the fridge, and asked it to create 2 meals, 1 dessert, 2 snacks. Probably won't even eat all that, to be honest, but lunch and dinner, and I do love a dessert. So it came up with a brilliant menu option plan for me. And this was lunch. I followed this to the T. I might have added a bit more cracked black pepper. That was probably about the only additional thing that I added to this meal, and it was really tasty, really tasty. I used quite a lot of butter, so the butter and the veg, the sauté was really nice. And then for my dessert, I had 4 or 5 walnuts, so a little bit more protein. Feel very satiated, must admit. So it was a good 3 hours later that I was hungry. So my AI chef had come up with a creamy mushroom and coconut flour pancake recipe, but I didn't really fancy that. So I asked it to recreate, and it came up with the flatbread and grilled veg. I just couldn't be bothered making the flatbread, to be honest. It looked a bit too fiddly. So I made a keto mug cake, but I did do the veg, and I also just used a little bit of a tomato and olive tapenade to as a sauce to that, which was really tasty. And if you're going to use AI as your chef and diet coach, definitely challenge it and look for additional recipes if the ones that it comes up with you don't really fancy. I do love a pudding and I do love snacks, so I did listen to my AI chef, their recipes for these, which are on the screen now, and I made both of those, and they were all 3 of those, and it was really lovely, and I think that was me done for the day. And I more than hit the target for the water limit, probably about 2.5 litres I've had today, and a couple of black coffees. Definitely helps with my appetite suppressing. I'd be really interested to hear what works for you. What works for you to avoid you eating the wrong foods or drinking the wrong drinks when you're trying to be healthy and get insulin levels under control. Pop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Body benefits wise, I know that my body, I'm only on day 3, that the inflammation in my body is still quite high. So even by extending that fasted window by an extra hour, I'm really happy with that. And I will definitely feel that my body might be a little bit closer to being in ketosis. And also everything that I've done over the last couple of days should be starting to kick in and boost some fat burning. Day 3 recap: 18 hours of fasting, walked 7,000 steps, actually walked 8,000. I've done myself out of 1,000 there. Rebounded on the trampoline for 5 minutes, gardened for 60 minutes, and stayed with under my goal of 50 grams of net carbs or less a day. Really enjoying the videos, really enjoying making them. Would love to see you on more of them. If you're enjoying them, please do follow on in the playlist. Thank you very much.